Hey, welcome back to Wegs Garage. Just wanted to take everybody on a real quick, one-takey kind of tour of our hood prop situation, which, as many of you have pointed out, is not exactly ideal. So here we go. Well, there it is. That's our hood prop right there. Yeah, it's not actually a 2x4. It's actually a 1x... You know, I don't know what it is. It's some kind of butcher block material. But that is the hood rod. So, yeah. And I want to point out up here, it is clamped to the hood. And it is pretty well buried in this corner. So, you know, it's, again, not ideal, but it's probably not going to fall out. So the real question is, why is there a board holding up our fancy new hood? This right here is the hood prop rod. It's a pretty nice piece. We painted it. It's in really good condition. But let's go over and take a look at what the problem is. So the hood prop fits in this area right here. There's a little mechanism here which kind of automatically latches it into place, and then it slides down here when the hood is down. The problem is it bolts up here to this location, and I believe there's a bolt that goes into there. And there's supposed to be a weld nut on the back side of this. But where there should be a weld nut, we see rust. So we actually forgot, or, you know, there's a lot to think about when you're restoring a car. We didn't realize there's supposed to be a nut on the back side there. Now all the paint's done. There isn't a lot we can do about it, so we need to come up with a solution to attaching this on there. We got a few ideas. I think maybe like a riv nut or something could possibly work, or we could like bolt a plate on there. I'm not really sure, but yeah, that is the hood prop situation. I just wanted to kind of go over that with everyone. Gotten a lot of comments, and believe me, I wish we had a hood prop there, so we're gonna try and get that fixed up. If anybody has any good ideas on what we could do there, seriously, hit me up in the comments. And if you like this video, let me know if you want me to make some more like this. Don't forget to like, subscribe, do all that fun stuff, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.